How to set app limits on iPhone. First, open the Settings app and tap Screen Time. Next, tap App Limits, then select Add Limit. If prompted, enter your screen time passcode. You'll now see a list of app categories such as social, entertainment, games, and productivity. You can select an entire category or expand it to choose individual apps. After selecting the apps, tap Next in the top right corner. Then set the amount of time you want to allow each day, such as 30 minutes, 1 hour, or any custom limit. If you want different limits for different days, tap Customize Days and adjust the schedule. Finally, tap Add to save your app limit. Once the daily time limit is reached, the selected apps will be restricted until the next day unless you choose to extend the limit using your screen time passcode. That's it. You've successfully set app limits on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, iOS tutorials, and easy tech guides.